Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. So today we'll be discussing another problem of a blind 75 series, and the problem of the day would be jump gain. So here we have been given an integer array nums, and it said that we are initially positioned at the array's first index, and each element in the array represents the maximum jump length at that certain position. We have to return true if we can reach the last index, or false if we cannot. So let's discuss the first examples. As we can see, we have been given our input array nums, that is 2, 3, 1, 1, and 4. And we just have to tell if we can reach the last index. That would be our target. We have to tell if we can reach the target or not when we start from the 0th index, and the value at each index is the maximum number of jumps. Let's say max jumps at I is the maximum number of jumps we can do starting from that index. So let's do a dry run of this examples first. So here, as we can see, that we can go here as well as we can go here. So for both the cases, let's say when we jump 2 positions, we reach 1. From 1, we can go ahead 1 position, we'll reach here, and then again 1 position, and we'll reach our target. So we'll just return true. So the way we will try to approach this problem will be just the opposite of the way we did our dry run. So in a solution, what we'll try is, we'll check starting from right to left, if at index I, let's say any index I, let's start from the end. Let me just rewrite the input array. Let's say we start at the last index. What we'll check is, we'll check if when we are at the current index I, if the value of I plus the maximum number of jumps that we can make, or the value of our element at index I, that is if I plus nums I is greater than target or not. If it is greater than target, then we can easily say that yes, from this given index, we can reach the target. So we should call this the new target. I know this is our initial target, but this will help us when we start traversing our array from right to left. So let's say when we reach here at index 3, what we'll check is, we'll check for I equals to 3, we'll check if 3 plus the value at 3, that is 1, is greater than or equal to, the current target, that's 4 or not. As we can see, 4 is equal to 4, then we can say yes, we can reach the target. We can reach target from I equals to 3. So what we'll say is, therefore, our new target, let's say T dash, is 3. Now we'll again move leftwards and check for I equals to 2. Similarly, we'll check that 2 plus 1 is greater than or equal to our new target, that is 3. And we can see, yes, this is the situation. So our new target will be updated to 2. This simply means that yes, we can reach till the end from that certain index, that is I equals to 2. So if we can reach from I equals to 2, then we just have to check if we can reach at I equals to 2 from the beginning or not. Let's say if we had a 0 over here, and we know we can reach our target from here. So when we'll come here, we'll again check, and when we check at I equals to 1, 1 plus 0, if it's greater than equal to our target 2, we can simply see that no, in this case, we cannot meet the criteria. So what we'll do is we'll do nothing. We'll say, okay, we cannot reach our new target from I equals to 1. Just let me check if I could reach it from I equals to 0 or not. When we check it from I equals to 0, we'll just do 0 plus 2, and we can see that's equal to 0. That means, yes, we can reach from here, so it doesn't matter, because we can either reach from here, from I equals to 1, or from I equals to 2, and it is the same for us. So let's jump into the code. So what we know is our target is the last element, because we have to check if we can reach the last element or not. Now we'll start traversing from right to left. So I'll say for I in range lem of nums minus 1. Always remember that the first position in the range is always included. So len of nums minus 1 till the last element in reverse order with a jump of -1. What we'll say is we'll check if nums of I plus I is greater than equal to our current target. If it is so, we'll just update our target and say our new target is I. And then we'll just return target equals 0. This means that our current target is the 0th element, or yes, we can reach to the last element starting from the 0th index. So let's just check our solution. And yes, we are doing pretty good. Talking about the time complexity of the problem, as we are just traversing from right to left, it would just be big O of n. I hope you guys understood the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.